Welcome back, everybody. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is spraying the primer and painting the caliper in this video. But if you missed the first video, definitely check the card above. That's going to be to the prep video on me pretty much cleaning up these dirty junkyard calipers. But otherwise than that, guys, hit the intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do next now is I'm gonna mask the pistons that are in the calipers, and just pretty much what I'm gonna do is use some of the blue painter's tape and regular scotch tape, whatever the case might be, and I'm gonna use some paper, and I'm gonna pretty much stuff these areas over here and tape them off and try to my best to line it up properly so that when I paint this caliper, it only paints the whole caliper and nothing really gets so much on the piston itself. So let me move forward and let me see the result. So pretty much I just use some regular tape and masking tape to just, you know, cover up the piston. I don't really care so much about the overspray when goes in here. I don't care. That part is dirty. That's not what's being seen. Also, I don't really care too much about the back so much. This whole part is going to be covered in primer regardless. But I care about the front the most. I really can't really get rid of too much of these indentations. But they do make a primer that's also a filler too. So I'm going to try it out and see if that can help smoothen a lot of this out. But let me just finish masking this side, and then yeah, we'll move on to the next. All right, guys, so I made a little makeshift paint booth for my calipers. Now I ordered this little trigger offline. It makes the painting process so much more easier, and also on top of that I went with a pretty much a sandable primer. So it's a bit windy out here. I am on my fire escape. I do have an apartment, so there's only but so much I can do. So we're gonna try our best to shake this up and yeah, see if we can try our best to coat it. Some of you guys will say it's best to use like a hanger, and so I could catch all sides of it, but I don't really feel like working outside. It's a little bit too windy, and I'm gonna try my best just to pretty much care about only the front part. So I could still pick this up and rotate it around too when I need to. So we're gonna start with just seeing how the paint stream comes out, because we don't want it to overspray. So let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like it's coming out pretty good. This one says fast drying, so let's just try one pull first and see how it looks. All right, doesn't look too bad. All right, it seems like we're gonna do about 2 to 3 layers. I'm gonna aim for 2, and yeah, I'm not gonna do that on video, but you know, let me just do it briefly and let me show you the end result. So take a look. This is how it looks. See how it's nice and dry. Well, not dry yet, but I'm gonna give it like 2-3 more minutes, and then I'm gonna give it a second coat. All right, guys, so this is the second caliper too. Spray this one real quick. Yeah, definitely looks like one coat. It's not perfect. The caliper's not perfect, but you know, it's home done in the house, so what can you really do? But yes, so we'll see what the next coat makes it look like. While that one's drying, I'm going to hit this one too with a second layer. Once again, pretty much I just keep it straight. I really like this trigger though. This trigger is really good. All right, then now what I'm gonna do next is turn it around and catch the back with the same amount of layers. And I think I'm gonna keep it with 2 layers. Some people are gonna say I should go to 3. The can still has enough left, but I don't want to use up too much, and it seems like I'm coating it a good amount. So let me just catch that one from the back, hit this one again. Now I'm gonna spray paint it the blue color that I have, and we're gonna spray this one. Once again, you guys already know what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this trigger here with this. It's pretty much an iridium. They call it Nissan Ray Blue Pearl when I ordered it off of eBay, but it looks very similar to iridium blue. That's what the paint coat came back as. So let's take a look. I'm gonna start spraying, and let me just show you some of the results as I go through it. All right, guys. So some of you guys gonna jump in and say, "Boost, you oversprayed a little bit. You missed some spot. You missed a spot." This is just the first layer, but I want you guys to see how it looks in the blue color. And this is the regular one. So let's move forward. Let's do the next one. So now what we're gonna do is let both calipers dry up pretty soon. Once again, you guys can say, "I missed a spot." I know. I'm gonna hit this with at least 2 more coats. But we're gonna give it about 5-10 minutes in between coats, and then we're gonna move on to the next steps. So now this has been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go a little over. That's the condition of that one, and this is the condition of this one. So this one I'm gonna try my best to catch up some of these little spots that I missed. And I already hit the bottom, so I picked it up and I actually sprayed the bottom and everything like that. But I mainly care about this part, guys. This part. You wanna know why? Because this is the only part you guys really see. You don't really see the back or the under. So as much as you guys want to get certain calipers powder coated and all this extraness, I get it, I understand. But when you guys are only gonna see this part, this is the only part that I care about. So let me move forward. Let me start hitting this off with a few coats. Now this is the second layer. It's starting to look a little better. I hit off some of those spots you guys are already gonna pick on me at. You guys are probably gonna jump in and talk about these little nicks and everything like that. I really can't do nothing about that. This is when you do a rattle can job from the house and you're just trying your best to make it look good. But here's the second one. Just finished spraying this one. Have a little bit of the tape here. It's gonna probably affect it a little later, but it's okay though. I'm not too upset about it. But yes, I'm gonna allow this one a little bit more time to dry up because I put a little bit more of it, and you guys might jump and say, "You still got that part right here." All right, I'm gonna try to get that in the last layer. I should have sanded this part because I had a sandable primer. Should have sanded a little bit to get that a little bit smoother, but that's my fault. This is what happens when you do things from home and you're just trying to knock it out the way. So I'm gonna give this one 15 minutes and we'll hit it with the final coat. All right, everybody, so this is now it's dry, and some parts are like really good, like right here is nice and smooth, but some parts are rough where I should have sanded. It's my fault, but it's really still in great condition. I definitely like how it feels. Should have put a masking tape to cover this bleeder valve, because on the other one I had it covered, but it is what it is. Once again, this one's pretty good, and that spot is still showing right here. Maybe when I do the clear coat, that'll help a lot, or maybe I'm just not painting it good enough. You guys know better than I do. Right here is still rough. Maybe I didn't get enough coverage, but some other parts are really, really smooth. So let me hit it with the last coat, let it dry, and let's see what happens next. So take a look. All right, this is where I'm at right now. The layer looks so much more better. This is the third layer. So this is why some painting, you see people paint their wheels or something that's just crappy, because you have to apply layer by layer. I did about 3 coats of primer, now 3 coats of paint. And look how it is. It looks really good. Yes, it's not perfect because they have these small imperfections, but from 4 or 5 feet away, oh man, these actually look pretty great. This one too, a lot better. That little rough spot looks a lot better, but it is my fault. I should have definitely sanded it, but once again, it looks really good. Some of you guys are gonna ask about the bottom part. I'm gonna just do that with the paint left over, the part under there. I did definitely flip it or whatever, but I'm gonna hit it off. But yes, this is really good, and yeah, I'm gonna let these dry, and we're gonna move on to the next part, stickers and clear coating. So yes, check me in the next part. Let's go. Alright everybody, so that's gonna have to be in another video. So once again guys, if you have missed my first video, definitely check on my channel. That was episode 1. The next episode is gonna be episode 3, where I'm gonna be applying the sticker, and I'm gonna be clear coating the BBK and giving a final look. I may even put them next to the rotors that I might purchase, so I might make that a rotor video too, on the rotors I've got for really cheap. So guys, you know what to do. Always hit the like button. Always hit the subscribe with the bell notification. Otherwise than that, guys, hit the outro. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.